Do you wake up in pain? Do you go to bed in pain? Do you find yourself popping pain pills to help ease the discomfort? If you are ready to end your pain now, Dr. Jeffrey Frost, the founder of AZ Regenerative Medicine, he is here to help. Great to have you back with us.
Thank you.
Why did you start this practice? What is your purpose?
My purpose is to help people get out of pain, get off of opiates or painkillers, and get back to a normal lifestyle while avoiding unnecessary surgery. So often, there are solutions out there people don't know about that we actually have in our clinic that will keep them from having surgery and get off of addicting drugs.
Yes, an opioid epidemic, it's frightening.
It is.
And you help people through that transition.
Yes.
I want to talk about Ivan. You've talked about Ivan on our show. He is a beekeeper, and he came to see you. How did you fix him, and what was wrong when he got to you?
So Ivan had an extruded disc of 15 millimeters, you'll see on the before picture here. And that's the jelly substance that actually is inside this, the cushion in the disc between the vertebrae, and it actually ruptured and was hanging out there. Generally, this is a surgical situation. And within a short amount of time, we were able to work with him with physical medicine, chiropractic, and be able to pull that disc back up in there. And we had a renowned radiologist in the area here validate that disc was completely healed in a short amount of time without drugs and without surgery.
When you see that bulge and then you see it straight again, that's remarkable.
It's a miracle.
And he's doing great?
Oh, he's fantastic. He's back to work. He has a church in South Phoenix he manages, and he's got a large family.
Oh my goodness. All right, I want to share another patient. This is Paulette, and I'm reading from a testimony that she wrote for you. Back in 2018, November, she broke her hip and then she broke her back, 3 vertebrae in her back.
Yes.
When she got to you, what state was Paulette?
She had a difficult time walking. Her activity level was just activities of daily living only. She was a vivacious, energetic, active person with her husband, and she really couldn't do anything anymore. Paulette's a miracle also. So we did regenerative tissue with Paulette's right knee, with her low back, and took her through physical medicine to restore the disc. She's completely out of pain in about 5 weeks.
All right, so I want to show a picture right now, because when she got to you, she was not doing that. What? Look at her range of motion.
No, and we took this picture because I had no idea. This wasn't even an exam. She's on the decompression machine right now, restoring her lower back, and she raised her leg all the way up. I said, I got to get a picture of that.
Wow.
And she said, I couldn't do this before I came to see you.
And you don't accept all patients. Why?
No. Well, frankly, I can't fix all patients. Some of the tissues have been damaged beyond, and the body can't restore it with what we have. So we like to help people naturally, but we've got to make sure that they're in the right place so that we can do that. We have wonderful solutions, but sometimes these are surgical.
Right, and Paulette wrote, I would highly recommend Dr. Frost. He knows how to stop the pain.
Yeah.
Patient care is very important to you. What can a patient expect when they come into your office?
Oh, a happy staff. Yeah, they come in and they're smiling, a comfortable environment. But most importantly, we want to find out what your goal is. We want to find out if you're in the right place. We'll do an examination on the primary area of complaint, and after that, we're going to go ahead and find solutions for you.
We're going to look at some video, because you also offer your patients other types of treatments.
Yes.
And what are those?
Oh, regenerative medicine. We actually do regenerative tissue in joints to help restore and regenerate those naturally, to avoid unnecessary surgeries, get you out of pain, and get you off of drugs. This young lady here, she's in her 80s, and she's holding the regenerative tissue, and she's warming them up to be a part of her and making her a part of that process.
Good for you. Any age. Feeling healthy is good.
Absolutely.
Oh, Dr. Frost, thank you so much. Let's give you a special offer. The first 10 callers, you will receive a consultation and examination for $45. That is a $125 value. AZ Regenerative Medicine. They are located at 16620 North 40th Street, Suite G2. That is in Phoenix. To book an appointment, call 602-992-2656 or visit azregenmed.com.